Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make perfect boiled eggs. There are so many delicious ways to enjoy these eggs. You can eat this by itself, or you can make some egg biryani, or you can make some egg curry and make a delicious meal. Let's learn how to make the boiled eggs now. We need some eggs and water to boil this. We are making hard boiled eggs today. Before starting to boil the eggs in water, I want to give you guys an important tip, which is never boil eggs in the microwave oven. It will definitely burst. So always boil eggs with water in a pan. Add water to a pan and add quarter teaspoon of salt to this. Adding salt to the water prevents the eggs from cracking while cooking. Carefully place the uncooked eggs in the cold water in the pan in a single layer. The water should be above 1 inch over the eggs. It's always good to add eggs to the cold water before you start the stove. Adding eggs to the cold water and adding little bit of salt, all these are small tips so the eggs don't crack when they are cooking. And also adding salt makes the eggs peel easily when it's cooked. Now that we have finished adding the eggs to the cold water, you can switch on the stove now. Bring the water to a boil uncovered. Keep the flame on medium and let it come to a rolling boil. After it comes to a boil, cook for 10 minutes. You can see that adding salt is helping the eggs not to crack and also helping the egg whites not to ooze out. After 10 minutes when it's cooked, you can switch off the stove and you can take it directly and pour the hot water in the sink. After removing the hot water, you can add some cold water from the tap now. Fill it with cold water and let it sit for 10 minutes in the sink. Adding cold water and leaving this in the sink for 10 minutes, it's easier to peel the eggs once it's cold. This is another tip I'm giving you, so the shells when you peel it, it'll come off easily. Eggs contain lot of good nutrients and it's packed with proteins and vitamins. Once the eggs have cooled down, you can crack the shells and open them. Tapping on a hard surface, you can crack the eggs and you can peel the shells. Please be patient and carefully remove the shell from the egg and wash it, and look how beautiful the peeled egg looks now. Following these simple tips, you can also make perfect boiled eggs, just like this which I have made. Your world famous boiled eggs are ready to enjoy. Kids love this boiled eggs. You can add them to your salads. And you can make some egg biryani with these eggs and also make some egg curry and enjoy with your family. I will teach you how to make egg biryani and egg curry in another video. Thank you.